Uh, Elsa and Anna, Elsa and Anna is tough. It is tough for others. We're creating some character. Dora. First, I draw how to draw this. See, this is I'm making the character. This character like a oval, one oval and two oval. I mean, here is one oval, and in top you can see I make it another oval. So here is a two oval. Okay. Make it whatever say you Dora or something after that. So make it something like this, very simple. Okay. And this is the body line of action. The body line of action. Okay. So why I draw the line of action? It's called like see the body movement like this. This is the head, torso. Yes. Uh, you draw this one, beta. This is character. It's called the Winnie the Pooh. Win the Pooh. This this character name Win the Pooh. Yes. This Win the Pooh. See the maximum shape of the drawing is okay, circle, oval. See here the shape the oval. Like this. You know? Here's oval. And curve line, I make the curve. And here I can put this eyes. Okay. Like this. It's very interesting character. Here also I make the circle. Like this circle. Here. Okay. Why a circle making? Because I want to make the smiley face. Let's make the body like this. This is body safe. মানে বুঝতে পারছি না না এখানে লাগা হয়নি আমাকে এখানে তুমি এটা দিয়েই লাগে তুমি নিজে দিয়ে নিচ্ছিল এটা চার্জার চেক করো চুজ করতে হবে এখানে নেই বন্ধ হয়ে যাবে এক্ষুনি রেকর্ডিংটা okay like this Hi Kushima, your class start to 7:15 meter, 15 minutes. This kids class going on. So make it like this, the board is safe, little bulky kind of. Okay. And here you can add the, see all line like a shapes, either oval, either circle. See this is, so how to make this character? It's very easy. And this is the line of action. See, this is the line of action, little bit of. What is the line of action? This line is called the line of action, this line. Because this character it is little bending, like little bending like this. Okay, like this. Bending. So that's why I draw like this. It's a head, torso and pelvis. Okay. Now the leg. Here the leg part. It's like a teddy kind of character. But very nice bulky character it is. Okay. Yes. Yes, beta. Oh, Mickey Mouse. How do you draw Mickey? Now only. Okay. Yeah, this is awesome. Color pink. Yeah, that's really awesome. Wow. What color do you use? Color pencil. Okay. Fine. This is good. But what is the next? Um, no, you only learn color pencil, not other color. Like no, you not learn other color. Color and so you learn all those. You learn all those things, right, Peter? Because the pastel color is color pencil is up to class 4 standard is okay. After that, you should discover acrylic, watercolor, oil. Okay, this is, but acrylic is a after uh, you know artist making. But before you need watercolor, charcoal, all those things should learn properly. Yeah, because you are good in drawing, but if you only make pastel color or color pencil, so everybody understand that you are not no other thing, only this kiddies thing, Because pastel and color pencil is kid. Only kid can use. Kids, 3 4 years old boys are using. But the bigger girls, boys are using the watercolor pencils, others.